Welcome back, fam. Welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to wash your face and maintain eyelash extensions for 3 to 4 weeks. Yay! Stay tuned.
Well, we are going to get our bowl and spring water. I'm going to pour that in. This beauty routine will make you have your eyelash extensions for weeks. Now we're going to take our Aveeno, very sensitive, takes off makeup, it's perfect for the face. Fragrance free, we're going to put 3 pumps in there. Now we're going to have our Q-tips. We're going to mix that around in the water. So we are going to wipe our face with our wash rags. I love a white wash rag. Yeah. You need new wash rags every 4 to 6 months. Yeah. And we are not using the same wash rag we use on our bodies, on our faces. It's about your self-care, protecting your skin and eyelash extensions. Let your natural beauty come out. Take your time. Your eyelash extensions will be in place no matter what. For weeks, they will remain fresh. So now we have our soaked wash rag. So now we're going to use the Aveeno Ultra Calming Foaming Cleanser. There you go. Just a few pumps. Mix that around. Enjoy yourself. Yeah, it's pamper, 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 pamper. Here we're going to take one finger. We're going to put it in the center of the wash rag. Okay? And we're going to take our time in long strokes going around our face. Take your time. Do not press too hard, okay? Be gentle. Long strokes underneath your eyes, your cheekbones, your chin. Your nose. Take your time. Rinse it out in the water and do it again. Your necks. Take care of your necks, family. No rush. Fam, take care of your skin, your eyelashes. It's about self-care. This skin routine is excellent. You see how I stroke from inward to outward, inward to outward over your eyes. Now we're going to take the Q-tip. Watch closely. Watch closely. We're going to pat, pat, pat along the eyelids. Now we're going to stroke, long stroke. Okay, here we go. We're going to do it again. I'm going to soak it in the bowl of water with the Aveeno cleanser. Pay attention. Gonna pat, 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 pat along the eyelid. Then we're gonna have one long stroke. There you go. All right? All right. It's lip time. Yeah, we're gonna stroke along our lips. Gonna take off those dead skin cells, any dry skin around our lips. That's what I love this cleanser for, the Aveeno cleanser. And we're gonna pat our face. Woo! Woo! Well, now we're going to use our Mario facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Oh yes, I've used it in the Ice Cubes for Skin Benefits video. And here we have the Body Shop Seaweed Oil Control Gel Cream. It smells so good. It's for combination skin and oily skin. And this is my stapler for moisturizing my skin. It smells good. It has a warm scent to no scent. It smells earthly. See? Put it around your eyes, underneath your eyes. Pat. Nice. Here's another moisturizing cream named ceraVe. It is excellent. You could use this as well. Great for the winter. And this is my sunscreen. Yay! 50. Yeah, SF. And you're going to take a little bit on your finger. This sunscreen is excellent. So, with my skin, I take a little bit. As you see, I work it in little at a time. I don't want to overdo it, because then I'm gonna look really strange. So you take your time, you put the amount that is necessary. Okay, inward, outward, inward, outward. Take care of your neck. Yeah.